Let's be real. Most people live paycheck to paycheck. You work hard, but the money disappears before the month ends. You want freedom, but it feels impossible. Here's the truth. You don't need to be rich to start building wealth. Warren Buffett started with $100. Robert Kiyosaki was broke and jobless when he wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And you? You can start with $1, as long as you change how you think. First lesson: poor people work for money. Wealthy people make money work for them. That's Robert Kiyosaki's core message. You need to stop chasing paychecks and start chasing assets, things that put money in your pocket. Even if you make minimum wage, the mindset comes first. Read books. Watch real content like this. Shift from consumer to creator. Warren Buffett didn't get rich overnight. He got rich by being consistent and patient. He once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." Save $1 a day. That's $30 a month. Use apps like Robinhood. No excuses, no minimums. Learn compound interest. It's the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. Here's how normal people, just like you, are starting. Digital savings accounts. Open a high-interest savings account. Let your money grow while you learn. Fractional investing. You don't need $1,000 to invest. Buy $1 of stock. Buy ETFs. Start small, but start. Skills over degrees. Invest in online skills. Digital marketing, basic coding, trading, freelancing. Knowledge turns into income. Build a side hustle. Sell something. Offer a service. Use what you have. Start dirty, refine later. Learn about property, even if you can't buy yet. The first $10 you save isn't for spending, it's for growing. Reinvest every cent. Buy knowledge. Buy tools. Buy time. If you keep upgrading your assets and skills, the freedom snowballs. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So learn before you leap, but don't let fear stop you from starting. You don't need to win the lottery. You don't need capital. You need creativity. Look around. What do you already have that can make money? You need to start, stay consistent, and stay hungry. From broke to free. One decision at a time. Most people are stuck in survival mode. You don't need thousands to start building wealth. You need the right mindset, the right habits, and the right moves. Drop a comment. I'm ready to start. Subscribe to Econ Worldwide for simple financial education that works for real people. And watch our next video. Saving versus investing. Which builds wealth faster?